Shake your turkey tail feathers. This is turkey tail, Trametes versicolor, one of my favorite mushrooms to look at because of these rich, colorful bands on this mushroom. It is kind of fuzzy. It has these pores on the underside, which spores, quote unquote, the mushroom seeds pop out of, and so they can reproduce. You can find these growing on logs in the woods, and they grow all around the world, and they can be cultivated as well by farmers. So turkey tail is most notably famous for this class of compounds, PSP and PSK. They're 1,3,1,6 beta glucans, a class of compound well studied for their supportive qualities for our immune system. And so that's why they're world famous for being such a great fungal ally for our health and wellness. They're also great adaptogens, and that just means herbs or mushrooms that help support our body's natural ability to deal with occasional stress and fatigue. So feel like your own Zen monk on one shoulder helping us keep an equilibrium, and the other is a martial artist or bodyguard punching away any invaders trying to ruin our perfect optimal health. So this is turkey tail, an amazing mushroom that we love so much here at Mushroom Revival. One thing to keep in mind if you're shopping around for turkey tail is that not all turkey tail is turkey tail. So some companies will grow something called mycelium, and that's the roots of the mushroom. And these roots of the mushroom will be grown on a filler media. So a lot of times these companies will grow it on oats or rice, and they'll blend it up into a powder, and the final product is about 80 to 90% rice or oat powder. And so it's just filler, it's fluff, it doesn't need to be there, and it's diluting the whole product. And there's no actual mushrooms in it. So if you're looking for mushrooms, make sure they're actual mushrooms, and you'll be good to go. Another thing to look out for is that turkey tail and other functional mushrooms have two classes of beneficial compounds for your health, and those compounds can be alcohol soluble or water soluble. So partnering with a company that does both, and so they'll be dual extracted, so all those goody compounds are bioavailable for your body, and you can stay in optimal health. So hopefully that inspires you to dive a little deeper into turkey tail and all functional mushrooms and all mushrooms, period. As always, much love, and may the spores be with you.